Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna make a little extra shelf for my pantry because it's very little. My kitchen is small and I don't have too much places. I want to show you that I want to do it the bottom part here. It's kind of crowded and it needs extra shelf over here just to put those little short stuff, or those little bottles that I can put it, so I will have a little extra space. So I want to show you that over here, this cabinet that you see, this part, it was my refrigerator, and I made those shelves and I put those little shelves just to put little things like here that I have my Tupperwares. You'll measure your cabinet just like this for the shelf length, 31.5, and then you have to measure it. How deep do you want? So I don't want to bring the shelf until here. I want to make a little shorter. I was checking. I want to make just a feet, 1 feet. So this way I can put my cans or little jars, whatever. It will be easy for me to take it out. I have a piece of wood that I would love, plywood, that I would love to cut it and make the shelf. All right, now we're gonna measure the wood and we're gonna cut it 31 inch and 3/4 by 13 inch. 13 inch. We're gonna do this. That's where there is 1, 13 inch. We need 31 and 3/4. We're gonna put down here 31 and 3/4. There you go. Okay, 31 and 3/4. Okay, now we have to make a line and we're gonna need this part. Let's make this one 13 inch here because this is at the end. We're gonna make a line here. There we go. Now we're gonna cut this. We need our safety goggles and we use the headphone over here. Make sure you hold both sides because the machine, it kicks back to you. So you have to be very careful. All right, for here, we need the guideline to make it easier. Now we're gonna go inside. All right. Okay, now we're gonna measure it. I want 5.5 inch to go down. We're gonna put the mark. We have to do both sides. So what I have to do, first I have to nail the stands. We have a very nice air nails. There you go. Now we're gonna put the other side. There you go. There we go. So here it is. Now we can put all those little cans, but other things that you don't need all the time, you can put it and go away. Whenever you need it, you'll take it out. So anyway, this is the drawer, and it's a very good thing to do it because you will have always extra space for your cans and jars and everything. Well, I thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you again. Bye-bye.